Hey, you. Yes, you. How are you doing? I have been noticing you. Have you noticed me noticing you? You have a great personality. I love your voice. And you have beautiful eyes. I love your body. You are looking so fine. I would like to become your friend. Can I be your friend? I love your voice. Do you like singing? I love your hair. You have a beautiful hairstyle. And I like the way you carry yourself. You are so well put together. You have such beautiful taste. Can we go out sometime? I would love to hang out with you.